Hi! In front of me is TCL Faraday, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, access devices settings. Now you need to click on Bluetooth over here and tap on this switcher if it's not already on to activate it. After that, choose power new device and wait for both ones to show up. Then tap on the one that you wish to connect to and wait for the pop-up. Now select pair in it and wait for the other device, in my case Oppo, to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can always do that by choosing this gear icon next to the device and tapping on Forget. Lastly, choose Forget Device in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!